everyone! It's another vlog, another day, another vlog po tayo. Kumusta po kayo dyan? Hello, Lulu, you wanna say hi? It's currently 2:58 na ng hapon. Kagigising ko lang talaga. Hindi pa buhay yung aking diwa. My husband is getting the treadmill. Currently, kinukuha niya yun ngayon. I am super excited about the treadmill because yung treadmill namin dito is a walking pad. Usually talaga, nag-walk lang talaga ako. Pero nung nakaugalian na ni John na mag-gym dito sa bahay, he would do his cardio. Tumatakbo siya at hindi kinakaya ng aking walking pad. Hence, he decided to purchase this, a bigger one. I think it's the fitness something, a chuchuchu. And I'm super excited about it because I can run, I can walk, and John can also do those things. Ano pa ba? Nag-dry yung mata ko. Naglagay po muna tayo ng eye drop sa mata kasi super dry. Naglagay na po ako. And yes, I am still taking my eye drop for the eyes, even if I did the LASIK back in May, I think. And I am still putting the eye drop every morning, once at night. Kasi pinasobrahan ko talaga siya para hindi masyadong biglaan yung transition ko ba to having the eye drop and not having the eye drop. Kasi minsan, pag umaga talaga, nagda-dry na masyado yung aking mata. The doctor gave me 2, pero bumili ako ng 2 pa, so I had 4 boxes. I am now currently finishing the last box that I have. I am going to unbox the stuff I have with me at the back. Umpisahan natin to kasi inopen ko na siya. This is a red tennis skirts that I got from Amazon. This one is in size medium. Ang yung kinagandahan nito, meron siyang pocket dito na side which is lalagyan ng bola. I-shoot mo lang siya dyan. And I also purchased the red top. This is in size medium. I purchased not 2 but also the blue one. It has also a pair but hindi pa siya dumating. I think it's going to come later this week. Ito yung blue at saka ito yung green. Hindi ko muna siya ipapakita sa inyo kasi wala pa naman yung mga skirts nila. Magkaiba naman yun. Hindi siya ganito. So that's that. Ano ba ito? Nakakalimutan ko na yung mga pinamili. Ito pala. Ay, napakaganda nyo, guys. This is for my table to put my laptop. And last thing, binili ko lang to 2 days ago. Ito, at saka ito. Ba't ko to ba hindi? Ang laki nito. My God. Pero ito sila. Meron kasi akong biniling DJI 360. Hindi pa siya dumadating. And I wanted to protect it. These are the protection. Alam niyo naman, action camera yun. So, it needs protection talaga. And this one is a lens protector. Because alam niyo naman, prevention is better than cure. Kasi mahal na masira yung Osmo Pocket ninyo at ipapagawa nyo kesa bumili na lang kayo ng mga protection na dapat naman talaga ginagawa ninyo. So, I got this one from Small Rig. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang cage at ito yung kanyang parang capping niya ba para hindi masira or mapasag yung lens. You know what? Napapansin ko talaga na mahilig ako sa gears. Since I really want to do stuff, those are the things that I really prioritize now. As I grew older, I really realized that I really have to invest on experiencing stuff. Babe, you're scratching it, babe. Matcha is about to finish. I am going to start my singing class. Yes, singing class. It will start soon. And this is my setup for today. I have my Sony a7 V camera, 24-70 lens. Have my mic. My lights. Hindi tayo pwedeng hindi maganda. And this is my first class, and this is my frustration before. But I'm going to address it today. At matututo tayong kumanta. Not professionally though. I'm not claiming that I could sing, but I'm trying to know the technique lang. And I team up with Simple Tones Davao, which is in the Philippines. But we're going to do a class online. I got the performer package. Anyway guys, magka-class muna ako and I'll get back to you and tell you how is my experience later. Hello po.
Hello! I am very sure that this is our first meeting, right?
Dapat mo lamang mabatid laman itong dibdib.
If you want to drink water, couldn't find my way. It's soft.
Ang hirap po talaga. Pero it was a juicy class because I learned so much from my teacher. My teacher nga pala is Teacher Rhonda. And just like that, an hour na yung lumipas. It's a breath of fresh air talaga, learning how to sing. I absolutely learned so much ways na hindi ko inaakala. Video po ako ng video kanina, wala palang audio. Anyway, kakaligo ko, kakapunas ko lang pala. Tsaka may sipon na po ako. But this is the cake that I made a while ago. At kinain na po ni John at James yung mga share nila at ito na lang yung naiwan. But I also give some to my neighbor. Kakalipat lang nila. It's my new neighbor. Binigyan ko sila nito. Anyway, tikman na natin siya. Yum! It is totally unheard of, but nagising po tayo ng mga 7:30 a.m. I am so happy to catch the morning. Gloomy po yung araw natin today. We are at the peak of winter kasi this month is July. But hindi masyadong malamig ngayon. This was considered the hottest of July. Kasi usually malamig na malamig talaga, but it's quite not like that. Anyway, since pupunta po tayo ng Mount Buller to learn how to snowboard. Nung nasa Mount Buller kami the first time when John took me, hindi ko masyado nagustuhan yung pag-ski kasi medyo mahirap siya. Kasi isipin nyo, dalawang paa yung kailangan yung i-control at hirap na hirap po ako noon. But when we did Mount Buller na naman with my colleague nung pumunta kami ng 2024, nagustuhan ko talaga yung snowboard. Hence, we are going to go back this time and really learn how to snowboard. I will be staying there for 5 days and magsistay po tayo sa ski resort doon sa Mount Buller. Kumuha din ako ng 2 hours na teacher to teach me how to snowboard. So I think that is a good start for me. At since pupunta po tayo ng Mount Buller, meron na akong mga pinamiling white pairs of snowboard equipment. So meron na po tayong kanyang pants, and then the jacket, also the gloves, the flea, which is for inner lining, the helmet, and then the goggle. Ayan, kompleto na po tayo on our white sets. And this time, bumili ako ng black set na naman so I could mix and match. First day, white. Second day, black. And change the top and bottom. White, black, and then black, white. I think that is more efficient. Kesa naman bumili ako ng 4, diba, on my 4 days. At saka yung snowboard, guys, kung hindi nyo lang natanong, mahal yung mga equipment ng snowboard. So, I really have to be strategic. Kaya napabili tayo ng mga black set. I wanted to also buy the binding, snowboard, at boots. Anyway, gagawin natin siya later. But for now, I'm going to show you the stuff that I bought for the black bears na binili ko. Unahin muna natin yung mga safety gears because when I did the very first time nung nag-ski ako noong 2019 at saka pumalik ako ng 2024, wala akong mga ganito and I really hurt myself pag natutumba po ako. Pag natutumba ka talaga, saplak ka talaga, hindi talaga yung slowly na tumba, yung tumba talaga na ganon. So, ngayon, prepared na tayo. I have a knee pad and the elbow pad para pag matumba ako, hindi medyo masakit. Since most of the time po na natutumba ka with your chest or your back and most of the time, andito yung impact sa may bum. Bumili ako nitong shorts na to that will protect me from those downfall. Ganyan po yung kanyang itsura. Bumili rin tayo ng protector for the hands kasi most of the time talaga, pag natutumba kayo, you would really fall with your hands. So, I bought this one para yung impact sa kamay, hindi masyadong masakit. Ganun ka kasi. Pag wala nito, andun lahat yung impact sa kamay nyo. Pero pag meron nito, dito lang siya mag-stop. I also bought this shin protector. Shin protector kasi pag nagbo-boots kayo, pag naglilin kayo forward, nasasaktan yung mga shins ninyo. So, this will help to lessen the impact for your shin. So, tapos na po tayo sa protective gear ninyo. Ito naman sila, pang cold naman to. So, I bought the gloves, first layer of the gloves, that even you are using this one, you can still touch your phone. This is a covering for your face. So, I bought one black and one white. Pakita lang natin ha. Parang ninja ha. So, same lang nito is the black one. I also bought 3 socks. Super kapal din nito ha. So, ito, binili ko to sa Macpac. I got the 1 pair of flea thermals. Kasi dalawa po yung layer ng gagawin kong thermals. One is black and one is in cream or white. At ganun din po sa thermals sa bottom. So, these are the stuff that I bought in Colombia. Bumili tayo ng bottom. O yung kinagandahan nito is that it has a lining na super wind resistant. Uy, ang ganda! Meron din tayong pangloob. This one. At ito po yung magiging third layer natin. This is super duper warm. Yung shell pala ng top ko is this one. Uy, ang ganda. But to be honest, I could have gone upsize because this was in small. And bumili rin tayo ng black na gloves. At saka bumili rin tayo ng helmet, guys. Meron akong white na helmet, but I really needed to have a black one. I got this one from Amazon. And this one is the Solomon, hindi ko alam, but it's a Solomon helmet. Dalawa po yung binili ko. I don't know what is my size. I just wanted to try them out. So the first one that came is a large one. Ay, ang cute! I'm also keen to try the medium one kasi yung aking unang helmet na puti is 56 by 59 cm and ito is 59 by 62 cm. But I ordered two. Isa nitong large. Darating yung medium in a couple of days. This is just an insert video. I have the helmet, the second helmet that I purchased from Amazon. Open lang natin siya because I suspected it that this will fit better. Maliit siya. So, small pala to. Yes, small pala siya. Wala pala akong nabiling medium. Ang ikikip ko is the large one kasi this one is the closest to my head. And lastly, guys, I also bought this Solomon goggle. Oh my God! Kompleto na ako. And usually, ilalak mo siya dito. Ilalagay niyo siya together. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Ang gagawin ko today is I am going to go to Elsternwick to try to see what's my size for boots. What's the sizing for me on my snowboard. Bilhin tayo ng binding. I am just about to go now and I'm just going to do an outfit check. These are from Chanel, Kesube, R.M. Williams, H&M Cashmere, Chanel, and Chanel. I just have a broken nail. Tapos na tayo sa The Bumps. Wala sila masyadong stock. Meron lang silang isang boot and that one is a brown one. I really love having white and black. Parinig pa siya na yung mga perfect daw yung mga outfit. Yun daw yung mga hindi masyado kagandahan yung fitting. Papahiya mo pa ako, kuya. Anyway, I was also asking where can I buy at meron siyang nirecommend na mga stores na malalaki, which is one in Preston. Yun talaga daw, malaki daw talaga yun. And one also in Moorabbin. We are going to head now there in Moorabbin kasi yun lang yung malapit from where I am. Yung Preston kasi is medyo malayo. And also, I don't want to do it now kasi magluluto pa ako. But sa The Bumps, nakabili tayo na gloves. Yung gloves ko kasi doon, small for me. And this one is so perfect. This is a leather. But guys, I have underestimated the price of the gears. Oh my God. I don't know also if minahalan na nila kasi they have it on hand. And dito sa Melbourne, pag on hand talaga, malaki talaga yung value kasi makukuha mo kaagad. Nung nakita ko yung yung mga chain, for example, sa chain tayo ha, that chain will be used for the car kasi pag wala kang chain, mafa-fine ka ng 1,000 para hindi dumulas yung sasakyan nyo. And 600 po siya. Nakakaloka yung price. Anyway, we are now going to Moorabbin. It is a 16 minutes away from where I am at, which is The Bumps. Yeah, puntahan natin at maghanap tayo doon.
A boot to use for the snowboard. Yeah, okay. For you?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So that's right in the back. Yep. Okay. Have you had your own snowboard boots before? Can you just
No.
pull your pants out? Doing that, are your toes touching the end?
What brand is this
That's
one?
Nidecker.
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 This is a nice one, but he's going to get the bigger one of this. But it's quite comfortable now. And I love that it's black.
This is one size bigger.
Okay.
Okay, so this.
This one is much nicer to put on.
Okay, yeah, good. If it's touching, it should just be a very lightly.
Yes.
Okay,
Lightly.
that's good, yeah. Okay. So have you done a lot of snowboarding or you're just...
Beginner, but I would like to get everything.
Yeah.
This is nice.
They feel good?
Yes.
So this one here is a low arch one. Then there's also a medium arch and a high arch one. So this is your traditional strap binding. So this has two straps, but this one is fully automatic. So when you put your foot in, like that, push down, you're in.
Do you have a black and white for this one?
These are the two popular all-mountain boards. That one's quite an aggressive board, so that's really for intermediates to experts, so it's a little bit stiffer. These two boards are very similar.
We have a winner, guys. This one. It's from Yes. It's so good.
So you obviously don't see that when that's on.
Yes.
So this still feels like a strap binding. It's just a lot quicker.
Okay. So we are now also going to get the bag, and this is the one that he prefers for me. It is padded everywhere. I think I'm all set. I'm just going to have it heated. This one.
Very popular, these.
He is now going to
Okay.
put the two. So normally I would have two only.
Yeah, just two. So just two in the front wheels. The blue, the red hook, that goes to there. So we do the top, then we do here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tapos na po tayo doon sa Max Achuchuchu, and I end up buying everything. But let's talk first about that store. That store is really, really good because they will tell you everything, but they're also generous of taking care of your stuff kasi meron silang couple of years na pwede mo siyang dalhin doon after you use the board. You could take them there and have it waxed. And also, hindi ako nagbayad sa installation, guys. Oh my God, na-sandwich ako. Ayoko na-sandwich. Ay, ang ganda ng Ferrari, ha? Sa likod. Ano ba yan? sports car. Mahay nga si kuya. Baka pwede naman. Baka pwede naman siya mahay. Pero guys, ang mahal! Oh boss! Dream tired to swig! Wala akong gagawin. I'm not gonna do my me time. But it's okay. It's for me naman. At pag hindi ko na siya kailangan, pwede ko naman siyang ibenta. Ewan ko ba, ba't yung mga gusto ko sa buhay, mga ang complicated. Pwede naman akong mag-rent. Anyway, puntahan na natin si John sa Chadston. Kasi papunta na daw siya.